So I tried to see if I get the guys to do it before independence, so we can have the road open back to the normal flow of traffic.
That was Mr. Sherod Parkinson, maintenance engineer attached to the Ministry of Public Works, during an exclusive interview done by 90 News on Thursday. Parkinson reasoned that the pre-stressed concrete bridges that are currently being erected in the BV Triumph communities can have up to a 30-year lifespan once they're maintained properly.
Copana bridges, I don't know if you notice them or if you travel the area, but they're a steel composite, and they have some deck plates that keep loosening out from time to time that causes disruption in the flow of traffic. The fact is that all these bridges have been there for quite some time.
Pre-stressed concrete bridges, which uses pre-stressed concrete, can reduce the amount of steel and concrete needed in the making process. These bridges are supposed to stand the test of time than steel bridges, which erode faster when exposed to weathering elements. The BV Triumph Bridge project, according to Patterson, began on April 4, 2022, and will follow the same pattern of bridges erected at other communities along the east coast of Demerara. CNL Contracted Services are responsible for the ongoing bridge works in the community of Beterverwagting, Triumph, East Coast Demerara. Parkinson also noted that it's customary for the Ministry of Public Works to publish all projects slated for communities in various news outlets so the residents can be informed. Recently, Chairman of the Beterverwagting Triumph NDC Jamal Baggett, during an exclusive interview with the newscast, lambasted the Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development and Ministry of Public Works for not engaging the BV Triumph NDC in a meeting regarding the scope of the bridge projects in the community.
President, talk the talk of one Guyana.
Baggett called on government to stop the tendency of proverbially leaving the community in the dark.
The roads in the areas, check out our playground. Our playground, as persons would know better, for persons living in BV Triumph would know, our playground was in a terrible state.
This is Antonio Day reporting for HCP 90 News.